What up, Boosted fam? So tonight we got a pretty special race coming up. The Buick is going to be racing a wide body, like customed out, highly modified Golf R. Might take an L, don't really care, but it's going to be a pretty cool race. And in preparation, I decided to clean up the Buick, and I figured I'd show everybody. She's looking fresh and clean. Tires all shined up, paint all shined up, windows all clean. Gonna go have us a race tonight. Hopefully it's pretty close, make it fun. Obviously I top out about 100 miles an hour because third gear's gone, but it should be a pretty fun 30 to 100. Just remember to like the video and drop a subscribe if you like the Buick. Got some probe content coming up. This spring I'm gonna be putting the engine in my 3S GT Celica and getting that thing running and driving too. So stay tuned. Hope you like it. Have a good day, everybody. Where do you think you're going? So this is it. What year is it?
2013.
So it's a 2013 full bolt-on Golf R. Got intake, exhaust, downpipe, uppipe, or what'd you say?
Turbo inlet.
Turbo inlet. Small turbo upgrade, front mount, tune. And you said it made 400?
Yeah.
Just about 400?
400 on avgas.
Hell yeah. Is it on pump or avgas right now?
Yeah, avgas right now. So probably a little...
What's up, Boosted fam? I am smoked. I am so tired. It is midnight. I just got done editing this video. I put more effort into this one. I'm trying to give you all better quality and content. If you like the difference in quality, please drop a like. Please share this video. Help me out. Help my channel grow. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope that this was good for you, and thank you for watching.